Alright guys, here's the new switch right here we're going to install. Gonna undo the clip on the old one. There's hanging right here. There's your little clip right there. Just push on a little tab and release the switch, then release it. 1 second, I'm gonna get that tab pushed. Alright guys, there's a 4-factor switch right here. Like I said, it just pops in and twists. Here's the new one. I'm gonna install it, and you can tell, hear that sound right there? This one is completely worn out. Here's your brand new one. Good stiff spring. A lot more tension on that spring than what's on the old one right here from Ford. We're gonna install it. First, we're gonna plug in the switch. Now we got the new one plugged in. There you go guys. There's the brand new switch installed. As you can see here, the switch releases. Make sure you find this video useful. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. You'll have a great day.